What's up, y'all? About to fix some dents on a cop car. Looks like some hands were put on this, maybe. I'm gonna have to do with all glue pulling. We're in a humongous paint booth. Let me show you these dents. It's my boy Kevin right there. I'm up in his apartment. What's up, Kevin? Man, that's good. Here's all the tools I used: a limited glue gun, DeWalt battery, Atlas tabs, Dent craft, blending hammer, Vaughn rubber hammer, plastic hammer, limited light, DeWalt battery. Hey guys, I'm back in the truck and I realized I didn't really do any kind of explanation of the repair afterwards, and I forgot one tool or one thing I missed to tell you about what I fixed it with. And this is kind of embarrassing, but I'm colorblind and I don't know if I used the green glue or orange glue. Those are my two go-to summertime glues. So I either used green or orange glue. Maybe you can tell in the video, because I can't. Maybe drop me a comment and tell me which glue I used. But anyways, that repair was not super difficult. A lot of tapping, a lot of getting rid of crowns, and a handful of pulls. So, you got any questions? Drop them. All right. See you next dent.